Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create Capcut account. So if you are regularly use a Capcut and you want to sign in because you need a Capcut space, for example, you have to log in. You have to sign in into the Capcut account. So it's very easy. Just tap the me icon and you can sign up with your email, or you can sign in with Facebook, for example, or if you have TikTok, you can sign in with TikTok. So I'm using a Facebook here, and you have to set your date of birth, and after that your account is complete. So you can join CapCut Pro, or you can use the CapCut space, or you can view your trending creator. Let's get back to the edit button. So it is done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.